Good morning, team. It's Wednesday, 29 March, almost 8 o'clock. I'm getting many messages about what's my time, because sometimes I talk about London Open, kill zones and things like this. When I do the morning review, you can see my time here. I don't know why I say 7:50, 7:54. Also, on Forex Factory, I don't know if you have this little square. I suggest you add it. How do you add this thing? Let me see. Here. You can pick the options here below and add a different feed. I like this one. It says exactly what time London Open. The kill zone for me starts 8 o'clock. So when Frankfurt open. But this one is nice, this kind of clock, Okay. Again, no news today, basically. Even FX Street says basically nothing. Well, something in 5 minutes. I don't know if I'm gonna trade that. Let's go to see charts. Another bullish close for daily. Pretty bullish actually, huh? I say daily for me can easily go here. I don't see any reason why we can not stop to 95. Maybe we pull back a little and then we go there, but on a daily level, this is bullish. H12, it's interesting because I know that this is not a real order block, but you know also that I love inside candles, and this is like a little rangy candle, which is kind of order block. I don't know, maybe like on 8 hours, you know what I mean? Yes, exactly, like 10 hour. Yes, look at this. On 10 hour, this is an order block, okay? And we kind of push below this order block. So, I'm not saying that I'm checking 8 hour or 10 hour, but I know that this is kind of an important level. As we push below, who generated the move that pushed below? This bearish order block, okay? So I expect a reaction if we get here. I don't know if we're gonna print a new low or we're gonna just pull back a little bit and keep going higher, but I expect something, I think something like this is doable. Who knows, maybe they just do like this and then they keep going higher and then they do like this. I have no idea, I don't base my trade on H12. I wait for low time frame to tell me the story, but still, I know that this is a hourly sponsorship that I look for. Also, if you look properly, I'm going to show you later, this is also confluent with the H1 origin that I'm going to mention in a second. So this is really interesting. Anyway, let's have a look to more low time. H4. This is a bullish close to me. Look at how they close above these. Let's clean this a little bit. Okay, this is a bullish close. Okay, H4 is really balanced. Look, this week, big body, another week. This chart is balanced here. So if we go in lower, I don't know, maybe we go to take this liquidity. The price is really balanced, also on H1, look. So I don't see any inefficiency to fill and then keep pushing. If we start to push down, maybe we just go lower. And this fair value gap was enough for rejection. Yeah. That said, this close is bullish, in my opinion. So at some point, I think we're going to keep going higher. Let's have a look at H1. Yeah, the liquidity that we wanted yesterday has been tagged. This H1 gave some sort of reaction, like 20 pips, and then failed because momentum was too strong. And yeah, maybe this one is not tagged. It's kind of untested support. Let's see. I really would love, I posted this yesterday in FXO chat. I really would love this level to start to look for shorts. Look at this beautiful, beautiful fair value gap. This is a breaker. If we get here, I would love to look for shorts. If we start to going lower now so soon, yeah, then I don't know. Let's see. Anyway, this is an area of interest for me on a hourly level. Low time frame, same thing. Look how beautiful. Also, this other block is beautiful. This big wick doji that send the chart down. This is beautiful for a short. Yeah, I don't trust Asia rates. You know, it can work out. It's just not high probability for me. Well, maybe this one is kind of legit because it rated a swing high that was not in Asia. It was yesterday New York close. Yeah, I also start to look a little bit like a market maker sell model. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to long right now, but I can see some longs in this big wick. Yeah, okay, that's enough for me for today. I want to tell you something, guys. You know, I closed my Discord, so if you want to see some extra analysis for me later in the day, usually I post them below in the comments of every video. But if you want to be sure to not lose any analysis, you need to go here in this little if you go here and you go in comments, you open a discussion group, okay? How the fuck do I do that? Well, anyway, if you go here in discuss, okay? This is FXO chat and there is like an F-22 Raptor as a logo image. If you subscribe to this channel, you're not going to lose my extra analysis during the day, you know? You don't need to. Just in case you want to see extra analysis later in the day, because I cannot post everything London Open and expect me to know what's going to happen later. Also, I will be happy if some of you post some Euro charts sometimes with their own analysis. You know, I love to talk about Euro USD. So if you post your own analysis, I'm happy. And maybe we can make this one like a little group between us, all focused to check the same thing. Okay, that's enough for me today. So I'll see you later in the chat. Bye.